Hey guys, welcome back to the Art of Automotive. Today I'm working on a BMW 99 323i, and the problem that it's giving me, it's with the ABS module. It's giving out a code for the ABS motor. So basically I troubleshoot everything. I check my powers, everything we were getting here, the grounds, everything was good. And with the scanner I tried to activate it and it wasn't activating. So I took the ABS control module, which is located here, and what I did was I opened up the ABS module to see if the motor and everything was good, and I opened the motor and it was good. So let me show you. So this is the ABS motor. I checked it out. I took this screw out, I took it off, and everything looked good. So I checked it with my power probe. I don't know if you can see it in here, right about here. I put power and ground, and the motor worked fine. So my next step was to check out the circuits here. In order to get to this, you pretty much gotta use a heat gun with a blade and just start cutting around it till this cover comes off. And then what I found, that what's the problem here is right here, the solder. So it's not making good contact. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna resolder this point here, which is where the motor feeds the motor. So it was having a false contact. So I'm gonna resolder that and put everything back together and see if it works. I'll keep you posted. So I'm gonna put all that and I'll come back. Alright, so here are the points that I soldered. Right here and right here. So now I'm just gonna put a little RTV around there, put it together, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, we already installed the ABS module, which is right here. So now we're gonna check to see if it works. The way we do that is I got my hotel here. So I'm gonna put active test. I'm gonna test the pump right here, and when I press this and I will activate it, you're supposed to hear a noise here. So here we go. You hear that? Pump's working. So it's a fix. So the problem was just solder came undone. So now I'm just gonna put the master cylinder, bleed the system, and it should be a fix. So thanks for watching The Art of Automotive. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe.